Double back. Three bags. Jesus Christ. That is fucking fire, yo. Man, you're going low right now. I'm bringing enough for this shit. Come on, this way. It's fucking insane. That's right. You're dragging or not? Bro, even with this setup, he's all the time. What, running late? Yeah, I think it's pretty tough to get it. It was really hard to get. Yeah, I'm looking at all over the country. This is from Keys, right? This one's I forgot what it's called. You did that yourself? Yeah, I got it off of fucking Thick Whip. It's a pain in the ass. Yeah, bro, but I bought the whole set. Right, I saw Thick Whip. I didn't do it. Right? I saw he was struggling. I was like, yep, buying the vent with the extra $200. I just slapped it right in. I just had to. Did you? This thing sounds so good. That's definitely. Holy shit. What's your setup? So it's Valvetronic, full catback exhaust, and Catalyst downpipes. And he custom made that. Oh, that's why he asked if my name was Gio, because I think that's Gio. He was like, yeah. Rev it again.
All right, so you're dining in stage 4.
It's like P2 pack, yeah. It's stage 4 ECU. It has Dynan turbo, Dynan intake, Dynan intercooler, Dynan exhaust. Upgrade the oil thermostat, upgrade the racework oil cooler, and I have VRSF charge pipe. Also, I have the tuner catch can, tuner motor catch can. And also I have the KW, like the gasket, the lower springs.
KW lowering springs.
Yes, KW lower springs.
Which ones are those?
BC Forge, BC Forge wheels, 19.
These are nice.
BC Forge 19 and 9.5 front and 19 by 11 rears.
Spaced?
No, it's no space, no spacer, just a stop. I think it's like 20. I'll show you what it's like. Front is.
Wow, it's got a nice poke to it without the space.
There's also no spacer. No space.
No spaces at all. So these backs are what, 295?
Yeah, 295, 30, 19.
230, 295, 30, 19.
Yes.
It's looking good, brother.
Upgraded down, the catalyst downpipe. Also, I have upgraded diamond coils and it's like
Upgraded the dining coils too, of course.
and upgraded the VRSF charge pipe and VRSF catalyst downpipe.
And it looks good too, the dining stuff.
Yeah, Dyna stuff is I like it. I have a good Model 3, but I never tune it. I never tune the car.
Without the tuning.
It's all tuning. Car makes like
All stock. Yeah.
All stock makes like 460, 470, something like that. It's M55. If it was S55, it was I can push it out more.
That's why I don't do it.
Yeah. So like this car is enough for it. I tried this car also.
Yeah, I don't want to kill off my warranty, so I'm not going to be messing around with the crank hub.
What is that? Everything is BMW still under the warranty. It's upgraded, still BMW. Its car came with it. Car came with it. The BMW or the install Dyna cars have a 2 negative.
Very nice, my man. What's your name?
Ika.
Ika. Mark.
Nice to meet you.
I want to ask you. I did it. Sounds good? Yeah. Got it. Bro, I want to post you up there.
Say that I don't beat it.
All right, dude. I'm gonna have 2. Yo, pick up my bottle, guys.